Acceptance, ha? Speech ng ating po chairman.
Once again, I would like to congratulate the newly members of the board, to which I'm also a member. So, yung chairman naman po walang magagawa kung walang concurrence ng board. So sana magtutulungan tayo. Tapos we'll be having a monthly meeting, board of directors meeting on an agreed place para kung saan kayo, kung saan ako, who will be the board secretary. So si interim secretary muna si Sir Carlo habang hindi pa na i-elect ng officer ang board. So we will be needing these officers immediately. So pagkatapos po nung affair na ito dito sa CCW, I think after the lunch, mag-meeting na tayo. Okay, to formalize. And to each and everyone, thank you very much. And I'm now presenting to you the members of the board of directors for CCW officially. And they will function for you.
Ayun, congratulations sa hanay ng ating pong mga board of directors. Maraming salamat sa inyo.